Are you curious about how AI could change your classroom? David Game College is diving into the future of education. Imagine a classroom where AI tailors lessons just for you. That's exactly what's happening at David Game College. They've launched a pilot project using AI to help students who either struggle to keep up or speed ahead of their peers. Sounds futuristic, right? But not everyone is on board. Experts like Hadida Grabow argue that AI should support, not replace, human teacher. After all, quality education is all about those personal connections. And let's not ignore the tech glitches. AI can make mistakes and sometimes spread false information. Scary, huh? So, what's the takeaway? David Game College is showing us a glimpse of the future, one where AI and educators might work hand in hand. What do you think? Could robots really replace your favorite teacher? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Or see you next time.